Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Welcome back to our EVS 2 class. Today, I will begin with lesson number 22, Who Fulfills Our Needs, Part 2. So, children, let us begin. The importance of agriculture. Agriculture is an important occupation in our country. As you all know, agriculture is the most important occupation in our country. Everyone in the country gets food because farmers work in the field, right? Many of the farmers, they work in the field to grow crops, and that is why we get food because of them, right? Moreover, many other occupations are also dependent on the agriculture, and that is why agriculture is an important occupation in our country. See, this is agriculture. Farmer work in their field to grow different kind of crops. See, this is nothing but agriculture or farming. Our food includes items such as bhakri, chapati, rice, dal, vegetables and salads. Okay, what do we eat? We eat chapati, bhakri, dal, rice, different kind of vegetables and salads, pickle, papad, right? See, no? All these food items people eat every day. Fine. These items are also prepared from crops grown in the field. Yes, these items are prepared from crops grown in the fields. See, crops like jawar, bajra, wheat, rice, pulses, as well as leafy vegetables and other vegetables are also grown in the field. Do you agree with this, children? Crops like jawar, bajra, wheat, rice, pulses, as well as leafy vegetables and other vegetables are grown in the fields. Now I will show you the pictures. See, children, this is jawar crop. Okay? See properly. This is jawar. This is bajra. Okay? This is bajra crop. This is wheat. This is rice. These are different kind of pulses. These are leafy vegetables. Okay? These are also leafy vegetables. These are other vegetables. Okay? And all these items are grown in the fields, right? Other needs are also taken care of through farming. For example, we get sugar from sugarcane. Textiles made from cotton are used to make garments, right? Other needs are also taken care of through farming. For example, we get sugar from sugarcane. Children, we have already learned the manufacture of sugar from sugarcane. Yes? See this. No? Sugar is made out of sugarcane. No? Sugar is manufactured from sugarcane in the factory, right? Then textile made from cotton are used to make garments. See, these are cotton pods. Okay, and this cotton is used to make different kind of clothes. Okay, different garments. Fine. Farming of fruits, flowers and medicinal plants is also carried out on a large scale. Farming of fruits, flowers and medicinal plants is also carried out on a large scale. See, farming of fruits, different kind of fruits. People eat every day different kind of fruits to get different vitamins. No, different kind of vitamins are very, very important for our body, right? To be healthy. No, so people should eat different fruits on daily basis, yeah, to get different vitamins, because different vitamins are necessary for our body to be healthy, right? See, these are flowers. No, people make garland for worshipping God, right? People make garland to worship God, right? They offer flowers to God. See, children, these are medicinal plants. Okay, you can see variety of medicinal plants in this picture. Okay, there are aloe vera, sunflower, neem, tulsi, garlic, okay, jamun. So different kind of medicinal plants people use to cure different diseases. Okay, we can get this medicinal plants in the market at lower price also. So people use this medicinal plants to treat different diseases. Fine. Now we'll begin with agro-based occupations. Okay, now we'll see what are agro-based occupations. Agricultural products can be used to undertake many other occupations. Agricultural products can be used to undertake many other occupations. Fodder is created in fields. Yes, fodder which is used to feed different animals, that is also created in fields. It is used to feed cows, buffaloes and sheep. See, no, fodder is used to feed different animals, right? See, fine, fodder is used to feed them. Agricultural products can be used to undertake many other occupations. Fodder is created in fields. It is used to feed cows, buffaloes and sheep. Thus, as we cultivate the land, we can raise these animals also. Okay, people can raise many animals. By raising different kind of animals, we obtain milk, meat and leather from animals. Yes, see, why do people raise animals? Because by raising different animals, people can obtain milk, meat, okay, and we need milk for protein. Okay, so people drink milk every day. Why do we drink milk every day? To obtain protein. Okay, because milk is rich in protein. Fine. This is meat. Fine. Many people, they consume meat. Okay, and why do they consume meat? To get different kind of vitamins, fats and calcium, because our bones required calcium, right? See, this is leather. Leather is also obtained by the animals, and this leather is used to make different kind of bags, different belts. Okay, leather is used to make different varieties of bags and belts also, which people we use on everyday basis. Fine. Grain is grown in fields. Okay, children, different grains are also grown in fields. It can be used to feed chickens. See, right? Grains are used to feed chickens. Fruits grown on farms can be used to prepare squashes, jams and jellies. See, I repeat, grain is grown in fields. It can be used to feed chickens. Fruits grown on farms can be used to prepare squashes, jams and jellies. See here. Okay, jams and jellies are made out of fruits. Okay, different juices, different squashes are also made from fruits. Sheep rearing, poultry, animal husbandry and fruit processing are all occupations dependent on agriculture. See, why do people raise sheep, children? Because by raising sheep, they can obtain meat, their milk and wool also, their skin, no, which can be used to make different woolen sweaters, woolen scarves and all. Fine. See, poultry. Okay, there is chickens to get meat and eggs. People eat meat and eggs. Animal husbandry and fruit processing. So people raise different kind of animals to obtain their meat, then milk, then eggs, then different other products also. Fruit processing are also occupations dependent on agriculture. They are all called agro-based occupations, and these are called as agro-based occupations because this is dependent on agriculture. Fine. That is why all these occupations are called as agro-based occupations. This is sheep rearing. This is poultry. Some village occupations are family businesses. Okay children, many people, they carry forward their family business. Okay, sometimes people carry on the work that their father and grandfather did before them. Some village occupations are family businesses. Sometimes people carry on the work that their father and grandfather did before them. Means, suppose my father is handling a medical shop, then if I am comfortable in handling the same, then I will choose the same. Okay, I will carry forward the same business. Fine. So same like that, people can carry forward the same business, like family business. For example, goldsmith, blacksmith, then different retailing shops are there, different grocers shops are there, medical shops. So it is their choice. If they want to carry forward their family business, they can do the same business. Okay, however, in our country, we can choose the job we want to do, but in our country, it is up to us. If I want to choose any job as per my qualification, as per my interest, my choice, I can choose any job. Okay, so some village occupations are family businesses. Sometimes people carry on the work that their father and grandfather did before them. However, in our country, we can choose the job we want to do. Okay children, I hope this is clear to everyone. Yes, here we have completed second part of lesson number 22. Okay, the remaining part we will see in the next class. Till then, bye. Keep revising children. Okay, bye. Sai Ram.